Paladins. Hope y'all are having a great day, school or work or relationships, whatever's going on. I hope y'all are doing good. Today I will show y'all the map. I went around, cleared it out. I didn't do any story. There's 3 places left. There's some small little places we can check out along the way, but other than that, we'll be able to get right into the action today. I did want to see, before we head out, if we can make some new armor. At the forge. Let's see. Let's see. We already made that stuff. Don't really need it. I think we have armor. Ah, yes. There we go. So, cloth. Ah, man. Darn. We need cloth. Well, we'll make this for now. Dang it. I'm not very good at that little mini game. 12 guard, 18 armor. Okay, cool. Yeah, dang, we need more cloth. Alrighty. Let's check it out. I think I will probably give it to our support, to our doctor. Alright, cool. Looks good. Sweet. Alright. Does anyone need any of the older clothes before I sell them? Not really. Don't think so. Okay. Alright. We'll go sell these and then head on out. Let's see, is there any bounties?
Might you be looking for work? Our role as emissaries is to ensure that all service requests are fulfilled. We
Alright. We'll just focus on story today. Alright. So, let's see where to go. I guess we could go check this out. Someone needs help in the abandoned tower. At least that's what he's screaming out the window. Dang. Okay, let's go take a look. Hope you guys are doing good. Remember, if you have any tips or ideas of other playthroughs or anything like that, leave a comment. If you think you like the show, like, comment, subscribe, or just give some feedback about your day. If you're having a good day, bad day, just want to say hi, that's good too. Let's go, I think we're, yep, right here. Let's see, abandoned tower. Yeah, just a single guy sitting there. See what he wants.
Please, untie me. Lahart's goons could be here any minute. They want to take me back to Edarin.
Oh. Why?
I'm no danger to anyone. They're after me because I deserted. You can't imagine what they do to artisans like me in Artes. Count Lahart treats us worse than slaves.
Dang, yo, that sounds bad. I mean, sure, we'll release you, I guess. This is a job for our Hackett. Okay. There we go.
Thank you. I'll work for anyone, except Count Lahart. I'm an excellent craftsman, you know. I can do wonders.
Cool. I mean, we already have a blacksmith, so I don't know. We'll see.
Take me with you and lead me to my future boss. I may not have the gold to pay you, but times like these, I imagine he'll pay handsomely for a man of my talent.
Yeah, maybe. Okay. 20 raw materials. Nice. Dang. Some influence and story points. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Random notification. It's kind of loud, I guess. This mic is really good, though. It picks up everything in the room. I need some noise canceling, like padding or something, whatever they're called. Alright, let's go, I guess. Oh. Okay. Wonder what's gonna happen. Now, I remember, yeah, hammer for hire. I wonder if he'll take this guy. Or, wonder if the refugee leader awaits you in the haven. I wonder if he will work for them. Cause like, they're refugees from a war. And if they come here illegally, they're not going to understand people being frustrated. But if they're here, they came through these pathways into from the border. Yeah, see, Gusenberg border across. If they came through there and paid their, I think it's 200 to get past. If they paid, then like, I think they're fine to be here. But if they came through like without paying or anything, then I can understand people being upset. Especially when they start, you know, stealing stuff or not really doing that good of things around the country. But we'll see. Oh. Wonder if they're gonna fight me.
Halt! You have a deserter amongst you. In the name of Edarin, the All-Seeing Eye, and Count Lahart, hand over the Blacksmith.
I don't really know. Like, I don't know. We'll fight them and we'll see if the refugees will take him. Alrighty. So they're archer will be going first. They have 3 kinda tanks, 2 archers, and a medium. So we'll do this right here. Alrighty. Probably go with this guy. Goes a buff. Do deflection, because I don't really remember how hard these guys are gonna hit. There we go, we're engaged. Oh. Okay. Who goes next? The other archer goes next. I'll move you. Well. We'll see. And let's go ahead and get him out the way with Wrath. Alrighty. Gain a damage buff. Alright. He's probably gonna overwatch. Oh. Okay. You go next, so I guess I'll bring up my Doctor. Give a damage buff. Gain some points. Heck yeah. And smack him. Nice. Okay. Oh. Well then. You're going next. So let's try to get this guy out the way. Alright. See what this guy does. Oh, whoa. What in the world? Legendary ointment. This unit gains that's a long word, weapon for 1 round. Anti-coagulant weapon. All attacks apply bleeding. Oh wow. Fury of blows. Deal 5 damage to the target 4 times. Range 3 meters. Dang. That sounds good. Well then, how did you do? Wow. Okay. These people sound kind of rude. I think it's your turn. Ooh, man. Yeah. I want to take damage to try to get this guy killed. Don't know. They do bleeding also. Targets a specific area. Performs one attack of opportunity against the first enemy entering the area. Oh, man. I'll risk it for the biscuit. Wait, unless they're both gonna attack me. Ooh. I'll still try. I'll still try. Why is it still showing this on my screen? Dang. Well. Alrighty. Wow, that's crazy. Let's try to get this guy out. Okay, cool. I know we couldn't do the backstab and all that, but we had to get him out the way quick. Alrighty. A new round. I'm gonna go ahead and do encouragement. Smack that dude. Alrighty. I'll take a damage buff. Dang. Give him some help and debuff. Alright. Okay. Yep, thank you for that. I wonder if I can get engaged with him. Oh, we're just killing. That's good too. Thank you. Alrighty. Oh, nice. That was beautiful. Ooh. Ooh, okay. Man, that was crazy. We better rest. Let's check. Let's see. A level. Ooh. What should I put it in, guys? He is straight just critical damage. Backstabbing. So, well, he does need his willpower up also. Which should give maybe some critical hit. Nah, not this time. But that's fine. Hey, buddy. Come sit down at the fire. There we go. Alright. Let's see. Get us some kind of soup looking stuff. Some fish. Let's get a... Let's get... Brim? that. And that'll be it. Gotta pay him. And done. Rest up. Sweet. Alright. Mr. Ragman wants to talk. If the troop is going to survive, it's going to take unity and solidarity. We have to become true companions, not just strangers who happen to share a campfire. Oh, this is new. Cool. He is the outer support with old Johnny. So, yeah, we'll do that. Nice. Okay. Let's keep on going, guys. Who are those people? I wonder if we can run past them. Whoa!
Are you this traitor's accomplices? Hand over the blacksmith, or we won't show any mercy.
Did y'all see that? They just popped up there. Man. Oh, they have a crossbow dude and a heavy guy. A greatsword guy. You know, guys, I might just hand him over. I don't really know what to do. If they're just gonna keep on coming at me. I'm gonna hand him over, but if there are other options are way better, let me know in the comments, guys. So I guess we'll hand him over for now and see what happens.
Whether it was cowardice or reason which led you to that decision, you should know it was the right one.
Okay, well, I hope he has a good life though. Let's check out that weapon, by the way. So, we have an iron spear that I've made, 7 string, and it knocks back. Okay, and damage is doubled if used from a distance. So let's check this out. It gives +1 more strength, so +8. Fury of blows. I mean, we'll try it for now, but we will keep the spear, just in case. Put it in here for now. And I was wondering, guys, damage is doubled if used from a distance. If I get someone that has the harpooner skill, would that make the harpoon skill do more damage? If you guys know the answer, please let me know. Cause that would be kind of good. Get another person, but for range, dude. Alright, that's something to think about. Alright, let's continue. Go see what the refugee leader wants. Check out this cave. Mount Atlas Salt Mines.
Stop right there. This salt mine belongs to Her Ladyship Gontran. I can't just let you walk in.
Oh, what? Okay. Pay, threaten, persuade. We can talk it out. We can talk to him and ask nicely, see what he says.
As you wish. We can't mine the salt because of these 2 iron veins anyway. I really don't understand why you were so keen to go in there.
I mean, see guys, it worked out. I mean, we need the iron and he needs the salt. So, why not work together? What is this? Salt. Okay, who would have known? Let's get some iron. Especially when we start making full-on kits, armor, and weapons for our crew. We're gonna need a lot of iron. Oh, they just got a ruby. The heck? That's cool. Nice. Oh, let's talk to him.
You cleared out the iron deposits? Well done. We can get back to work.
Okay. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, I'm back. Let's head up to the refugee leader, I guess, see what he wants. I'm assuming that's where these dudes are going. Saw some enemies up there. Run away. I think they're fighting the ghost pack. They're probably dead now. Dang, that sucks. The Haven. Oh, there's a pack of piggies up there. Well, let's talk to this guy, see what he needs. Ooh, a bunch of people to talk to.
We sell all our surplus to help with the cost of rebuilding this ruin.
Oh, cool. I'll take some. Oh wow, I'm broken now. Whoops. That's good stuff though. Wait, I could sell stuff to her.
We sell all our surplus to help with the cost of rebuilding this ruin.
Nice. Heck yeah. Cool. This is the boss man right here. Fergus, refugee leader.
We are trying to rebuild a village from scratch. We've got more than enough farmers, but we are in dire need of skilled craftspeople. If you find a blacksmith amongst the refugees, please bring them to us. We are in such a bind that we are willing to pay for your help.
Ooh. Whoopsie. Well, now I'll know for future reference. Dang. Well, sorry guys.
I asked Bertram to bring me everything I need to sew warmer clothing. When do you think he will be back?
I don't know. I don't know, man.
I know that Fergus and the others are doing their best, but let's face it, we won't survive the winter months if we stay here.
Yeah. It's gonna be harsh. Gotta cuddle up. You know? Not being weird, just if you want to survive in the snow. Ooh, what's this? A lockpick. Let's see what's in it. Uh oh. Broke one. There we go. Got some crowns, seasoning, fish oil. Ooh, more cloth. Alright, let's talk to the boss man.
Ah, mercenaries. Just in the nick of time. Welcome to the Haven. My name is Fergus. I'm the former Lord Mayor of Courtier, and I now lead the refugees.
Cordia. I think that's one of the new DLCs. Oh, it makes sense now from the war. Okay.
As you have discovered, the locals haven't exactly welcomed us with open arms. I've therefore decided to move our people to this cold and isolated wasteland. But it seems that it's still not far enough for the Lady Mayoress of Stromcap.
I mean, it's her territory, so I kinda understand, but I understand your point of view too. So it's like, you're stuck in between a rock and a hard place.
Take our woodcutter camp, for example. We need wood to fortify our new home and survive the winter months. But the local farmers have been harassing us ceaselessly. I fear the worst. We haven't heard from our woodcutters in several days.
Alright. So why do you need me?
Hence, the reason for your presence here. This situation can be far too dangerous for the humble farmers we are. I need mercenaries to find out what happened to our men.
Oh, okay. I see. Yeah, I'll go look, see what's up.
Thank you. The woodcutters are just north of here.
Okay. We'll go see. Woodcutters, huh? Get us some wood. Some wood, yeah. Oh, yep. There's some dead bodies on the ground. There's the woodcutter camp, I believe. Yep. Off we go. Oh. Oh, some wood. Don't mind if I do. Sweet. Let's talk to Lapia.
My only job is to fend off the Tiltron farmers who come and interfere with the woodcutters' work. Believe me, there's as many of them as there are trees around here.
Alright. Antius?
Huh? The chief is worried about us, and so he should be. The locals are getting more vindictive by the minute. They harass us. We haven't enough men to send a message, and... What? Watch out! The farmers are back!
Jeez, dude.
You there, mercenaries. Since the chief sent you, hurry up and join our lads outside the camp. And stop these fools from getting in.
Wait. You said farmers. I thought y'all was with the farmers. So confused. Oh man.
What do you want now? Don't you have anything better to do than harass refugees?
Even if you were Edo himself, you couldn't cut down those trees.
What do you mean? What's it to you if we cut those trees instead of any others?
Yeah, I mean, it looks like they're leaving the stump. I think that means they can grow back. Maybe, at least.
The Mount Altis forest is sacred. It has belonged to the tools since the dawn of time. If you upset the little folk, they will attack all the surrounding settlements, including ours and your haven.
What? Okay.
Don't be absurd. The tools aren't even real. They're just fairy tales. We won't freeze to death over some imaginary pixies.
Yeah, I mean, I see their point, cause, like, I don't know, a little crazy. But I mean, there's trees literally everywhere. If they need a few, I think that would be fine to let them have.
How dare you? For the eye's sake.
Go and tell your hallucinations to move out. There's no lack of trees in this county.
Yeah, true. Plenty of trees.
Mercenaries, did you hear that? Name your price and give those blasphemers the punishment they deserve.
Nah,
The
see,
tools will
cause
be most grateful.
I don't know what a tool is, but okay. They could, like, start a tree farm. They could cut down the trees, right? Use it, and then replant the seeds, grow more trees. You know what I mean? Like, I think y'all are just in the heat of the moment and not thinking about the whole picture. Everyone's stressed out from the war and stuff. Man, I'm gonna help the refugees on this one. I have plenty of wood anyway, and we need food. Well, okay, we don't need food, but it is good to have. Oh wait, no. That's right, yeah. So let's do that. Okay. Okay. Where's my dude at? Oh. Wow. Here he is. Okay. Paladin right there. Crossbowman. No, you can stay there. Okay. Let's get this going. Alright. Got the allies also. Oh, you're still gonna go. Okay. Well, let's try this out then. Okay. Let's try it out. Whoa. Okay, cool. Oh man. There's a bear trap right there. Let's try this out. Alrighty. Oh. Okay, yeah, that's right. I'm not actually behind him. Like it says, facing his back. Okay. Let me see. Let's bring you up. Oh man. Tank destroyer. Old Johnny putting in some work. Okay. Let's go beat up this guy. Let's get everybody a repost, just in case. Oh, nice hit. Oh, what the heck? They both had... I had a repost and he had something. Oh, the bleeding got him. Okay, move you up. Everyone already took their turn, so let's see, what can I do? Got him. I'm gonna reload. I'm gonna use this. Nice. Oh, sweet. That is so cool. Alright. You know, I feel like that's a new feature. Like, they're reposting, but they're not getting hit. So, it's like... I don't know, let me read my stuff real quick. Don't say... Oh, that's right. His skill. If they are engaged with an ally, the ally executes an attack of opportunity. Oh, that is so great. I forgot about that. Okay, cool. Smack. Oh, cool. Okie dokie. So we got a gambeson, a war bow, volley of arrows. Ooh, that sounds cool. Seasoning, crowns, some rope, and some wheat. Nice. And Jacob leveled up. Cool. Continue. Okay, so I guess we gotta talk to them now. Hello? There we go. See if she has anything to say.
Tools? That is the most ridiculous excuse I've ever heard. These farmers cannot be serious. They're just trying to scare us away.
Oh. Okay.
All this talk of tools was driving me mad. It was high time someone talked sense into them. Here is your reward. We'll be sure to let the chief know we're safe now you've cleared the way.
Alright. Thank you, sir. Nice. Okay. So, I don't know if I have to go talk to him again. And there's another story piece right over here. But we'll do that next episode. We'll call it here today. thank you guys for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the adventure so far. If you think I deserve it, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Any tips, anything you want to talk about, just let me know. I do have a link to my Facebook for, you know, the YouTube channel. If you guys want to hit me up there, you can message or comment on anything. Let me know what your thoughts are. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye bye.